Hello guys. Welcome to Wow Hotel Reviews. Today I am reviewing Econo Lodge Burlington I-40. It's a 2-star hotel. Please use our booking.com link in description to book the hotel and get special pricing. Some of the most popular facilities are one swimming pool, pet-friendly, free Wi-Fi and a free parking. The Econo Lodge Hotel is located just south of Interstate 40. This hotel provides easy access to Elon University and many of the area's shopping facilities including Burlington Square Mall and Burlington Manufacturers Outlet Center, BMOC, home to numerous factory outlet and designer stores. Offering fun for the whole family, the Wet and Wild Emerald Pointe water park is 20 miles from the hotel. The nearby Alamance Battleground features historical structures, outdoor monuments and a visitor center to educate visitors on the 1771 battle that took place on site. The city of Burlington features walking tours of its historic district, a number of city parks and several lakes offering a place for boating, canoeing, water skiing and fishing. A variety of restaurants and cocktail lounges can be found around town, including several near the hotel. Guests of this pet-friendly hotel are provided an abundance of amenities including free continental breakfast, free wireless high-speed internet access, free local calls and a seasonal outdoor pool. Business travelers will welcome additional conveniences like a business center, a meeting room, in-room desks and access to copy and fax services. All rooms of the hotel are air-conditioned and come equipped with cable television and hair dryers. Some rooms have refrigerators, microwaves, irons and ironing boards. Non-smoking rooms can be requested. Ample parking is provided on the premises and will accommodate tractor-trailers, tour buses and automobiles. Laundry facilities are located on the property for added guest convenience. Use our link in description to get special discount on this hotel. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel.